Hey everyone, welcome. In this lesson we are going to continue learning tener expressions. Remember that a tener expression is an expression in Spanish that uses the verb tener, whose equivalent expression in English uses the verb to be. And so far in previous lessons you've learned how to say to be cold, tener frío, to be hot, tener calor, to be sleepy, tener sueño, to be hungry, tener hambre. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to say to be thirsty. So how do you say to be thirsty? Well, tener sed. Tener sed. Sed literally means thirst. You'll have to know your forms of the verb tener to be able to use tener expressions. So tener sed, literally to have thirst. But of course you know that this means to be thirsty. So here's our first example. How do you say I am thirsty? Remember, don't translate word for word. Use the expression tener sed. To express the idea of I am, since it's a tener expression, you have to say tengo. And then of course sed. Tengo sed. Tengo sed. I am thirsty. Tengo sed. Okay, so let's apply what you've learned. You already know how to say I'm thirsty. Tengo sed. How would you say you're thirsty? Again, we're making statements here. These are just statements. You're thirsty using tú. Tienes sed. Tienes sed. You're thirsty using usted. Usted tiene sed. Usted tiene sed. He's thirsty. Él tiene sed. Él tiene sed. She's thirsty. Ella tiene sed. Ella tiene sed. We're thirsty. Tenemos sed. Tenemos sed. You're thirsty using vosotros. Tenéis sed. Tenéis sed. You're thirsty using ustedes. Ustedes tienen sed. Ustedes tienen sed. They're thirsty. Ellos tienen sed. Ellos tienen sed. Or ellas tienen sed. Ellas tienen sed. Now to ask questions. Am I thirsty? Tengo sed. Tengo sed. Are you thirsty using tú? Tienes sed. Tienes sed. Are you thirsty using usted? Tiene usted sed? Tiene usted sed? Is he thirsty? Tiene él sed? Tiene él sed? Is she thirsty? Tiene ella sed? Tiene ella sed? Are we thirsty? Tenemos sed? Tenemos sed? Are you thirsty using vosotros? Tenéis sed? Tenéis sed? Are you thirsty using ustedes? Tienen ustedes sed? Tienen ustedes sed? Are they thirsty? ¿Tienen ellos sed? ¿Tienen ellas sed? Alright, that's it for this lesson. To continue learning, click on the video that appears here on your screen to go to the next lesson. See you soon. Hasta pronto.